Hello guys, guess what time it is? That's so early. It's like 5:51. We have this grand idea to wake up and see the sunset.
Sunrise, Sarah.
Sunrise. 5:53. But I think we're gonna bike because I'm not running like this. I think I put my contact lens backwards.
I wanna be a songbird, and I wanna sit on the tallest branch of the tallest tree, and I wanna sing lullabies to earth.
We're here.
But I really wanna try and make her laugh. I wanna be a songbird, and I wanna watch sunrise with my love by my side. And I wanna grow and I wanna learn. I wanna fire and I wanna burn. I wanna rise and I wanna fall. I wanna run and I wanna crawl. I wanna be a songbird, and I just wanna try to know how far and deep and wide this love is that you give. 'Cause that's what it is to really live, to just try and look around, see you in our breaths and hear you in our sounds. I wanna be a songbird. Go through things that I need, make me hurt and make me bleed. 'Cause I will rise and see the light. I'll pray my way through the night, and I wanna be a songbird, and I wanna sing lullabies to earth as she cries. But I really wanna try and make her laugh. How you made me laugh. You made me laugh. You made me laugh.
I got that on camera. Are you alright?